Christine from Activa, and today we're going to go over how to maintain your water softener. All Activa homes are equipped with a tankless hot water heater system, which includes a water softener unit. Most water in the Waterloo region comes from groundwater wells. Groundwater is typically considered as hard water as it picks up minerals while it travels underground. Although it is safe to drink, the minerals can cause a scale buildup in pipes and appliances. The water softener stops the scale buildup by replacing the magnesium and calcium ions with sodium ions. You can tell you have hard water because you experience dry skin and hair, seeing buildup on shower glass doors and dishware, as well as soap not lathering. To maintain the water softener and water heater, it is important to ensure the salt levels in your water softener are monitored. If water is able to be seen from the salt, you will want to add additional salt to the reservoir. To add salt to the water softener, lift the lid off of the reservoir and add salt about 3/4 of the way. For the first year, you will want to check the water softener reservoir monthly. The amount of salt used will depend on the water usage in your home. If the salt is not maintained, it can damage your water heater and start affecting other plumbing fixtures in the home. If you're having problems with your rental hot water heater or softener, please reach out to Reliance directly. If you're having problems with your purchased hot water heater or softener, please reach out to a plumber.